Good morning. Oh, it's 5 o'clock. Oh, and I'm so tired. I didn't fall asleep until probably not before like midnight. So I have not slept enough. No. I'm sure that in a few days' time it's gonna be a lot easier to get up at 5 o'clock. And now I'm just going through the hard phase. It's such a gift to be able to walk at this hour when no one else is around and it's just smelling so nice. The sun is high on the sky because we have the midnight sun, so it never sets in the summertime, and the birds are out up and awake and keeping me company, so I'm really happy. It's time for the next part of my morning routine, which is now to brighten up this really tired face. And I'm gonna do that with my face mask from Lush. Oh, am I the only one who doesn't like coffee, but I enjoy the smell of it? Or at least like I enjoy the smell of coffee beans. Good to go. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and keep it in my mouth for like half an hour, which is probably the amount of time I will keep the mask on too. My face feels really good now after the mask. And my teeth after the oil pulling. Now I'm gonna drink my turmeric, drink a little bit of water, and have a 20-minute meditation session. I'll link below the one that I use. Oh. I put a lot of pepper this way. Oh. Oh. I'm doing these videos with my old housemate and dear friend Skye Robb from Adelaide. She is studying to become a personal trainer. She is inspiring, open, and such a lovely person. We are both curious to see how we feel after doing this challenge and how we can make our mornings more efficient and also have time for ourselves, like doing the things you never feel like you have the time to do. Go check out Skye's channel and see how she does her mornings. It's actually really good. You pretty much just taste the berries and the acai powder and the banana. So good. Yes. Let's see for the kombucha. Cheers. It's like I can't decide if it fermented too much or did it actually mold and is bad kombucha. I'm not sure, but I'm probably gonna drink it.